It's another beautiful day over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa, and this is Alex here to present to you a brand new 2024 Wrangler that just got back from SEMA. Now this Jeep was built by Deutsch Off-Road, and as you can see here, looks like they had a lot of fun building this Jeep. So this is a Teraflex 3.5-inch lift kit with the Falcon 2.1 shocks. They've got 37-inch Wrangler Goodyear tires on 17-inch KMC wheels. Off here on the side, we've got some rock sliders here, help protect the body. Nice part is it actually has a step, so this is a dual functioning rock slider, which is a nice add on that. Up here in the front, we've got some pod lights up there on the cowl. Let's head back over here. We've even got some spotlights down here on the bumper. Now for this particular bumper, not only does it have the skid plate down there at the bottom, but you've also got yourself some winch points, or not winch points, sorry, some mounting points for a high lift jack. So just in case you do have some issues, you do have some nice points around the Jeep to kind of help get that jack in there. Now this does have the LED package, which is a very nice touch. These factory LEDs are really, really bright. It does also have LED turn signals on there just to line up with the rest of the LEDs, as well as the one here on the side. Now these flat fenders are nice because they are a little bit slimmer than the factory one is, so you keep a little bit more of a thinner profile. These are also a steel fender, so you don't have to worry about these getting damaged nearly as much as the factory ones do. Let's take a look here on the side. The rock slider on that side. This one does have the keyless entry in there, so the key never has to leave your pocket. It's even got the fender liners on the sides there. Now back here, we've got another steel bumper again. Got our high lift points right in there. Now this one also has pods here in the back for your backup lighting, which is a nice touch. If you go out at night, sometimes the factory backup lights aren't as bright as you would like them to be, so it is nice to add a little bit extra. Now down here, if you do plan on towing with it, you do have a lock for your hitch. Now this lock uses the same key that's you use for the Jeep, so you don't have to worry about any extra keys or losing them or not having them when you need them. It's one key for everything on this Jeep. All right, let's go take a look at the inside here. So they did go and add a nice custom leather to it. They're very, very comfortable seats. You know, if you're taking a long road trip in Wranglers or Gladiators, it's not always the most comfortable seat. So they did add some nice plush leather in here to kind of help out with that. Now this does have your buttons down here at the bottom. So these are going to be for your auxiliary lights. Let's go take a look around here so you can see them. There's the pods up at the top, and then there's your spots down there at the bottom. And I don't think I mentioned this, but it does have the super winch on here. Now this winch does have Bluetooth controllers, which is very nice. If you get yourself in a pinch, I never recommend going by yourself, but if you do, you can always get yourself hooked up to something and stay inside the cab and winch yourself, so that way you can kind of steer the Jeep. Back over here, turn these off. Now this Jeep, being a 24, does have the standard bigger screen, which is a very nice addition. I know everyone's been asking about that for a very long time. It's got adaptive cruise on there, which is another standard feature. They kind of have updated the gauge cluster, which I thought was nice. Look up here at the top. You've got the universal garage door opener, so you have access to 3 different garages on one button. You've got your SOS button and your assist. There's your box for your adaptive cruise. It does have the 3-piece hardtop, so you can take the front 2 panels off or take the whole hardtop off if you'd like. Let's look over here. Now this one even has heated seats and heated steering wheel, which is nice around in the winter time, as well as the select speed. This is a very nice feature, especially if you're going downhill in something that you're not most comfortable with. This will really help smooth out that feeling of going down or up something. You can actually use that in reverse, which I found out by mistake, but that's a pretty nice addition to that. And then down there, you've got your auxiliary switches, so you do still have some switches open if you wanted to add your own lighting to it and really make this yours. Go check out the back. I love these Wrangler floor mats. I thought this was really nice in here. It's a very homey feel. Got your power outlet in the back, as well as the extra USB ports. And there's that custom stitching there in the back as well. Let's go take a look in the back of this Jeep. Then you've got a power outlet as well, a 12 volt. You've got another floor mat. Underneath here, you've got the drain plug if you do want to keep something back here, maybe some waters or something, so that way if it does get any wet, you can just pull that out and it'll drain right out for you. You've also got your jack and all your tools you need if you do end up needing to swap a tire, all underneath here, so it's out of the way. What a beautiful Jeep. Now this is your chance to own a one-of-a-kind, not only a brand new 2024 Wrangler, but you get the chance to own a vehicle that you can officially say was a part of SEMA. The only thing this Jeep is missing is you in the driver's seat. So come on down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa and ask for stock number J240884.